The main character in my opening sequence is ambiguous. She can be interpreted subjectively as different individuals can identify characteristics of her homogeneous nature in order to psychologically relate to her current situation. Various different capitals are represented in the sequence. In one shot, the audience can identify that she has a very low economic capital, which in turn reflects the low social and cultural capital of which she possesses. Through this representation, the audience can identify the sense of depression exhibited by the main character. With the low economic, social, and cultural capital, the audience are able to sympathize towards the main character. Due to her introvert nature, it suggests that she is secluded from society. The character has not necessarily been represented in a negative or a positive way, because her seclusion from society has relations to the audience in separate ways. She could be perceived positively because of her lonely nature. She is not associated with negative subcultures such as goths or a lower class, aggressive culture commonly known as chavs. However, it could be suggested that she appears to have no place in society, which reflects the lack of enthusiasm and direct aid she has with the rest of society, subsequently representing the main character in a negative way. The main character represents gender through typical female connotations, especially the attire which informally dictates her femininity. Her blonde hair stereotypically conveys a flimsy and innocent character, suggesting that her current position has been enforced onto her rather than self-inflicting destruction. It can be considered that the main character Holly has targeted characteristics when comparing her with the main character Mia from Fish Tank, as she has a low sense of resources and prosperity. Throughout the opening sequence, Holly is seen alone as an exclusion from engaging in with the popular culture integrated within society, as is Mia, even though Mia is seen with an aggressive nature in response to a particular popular culture. Technically, she is alone, as she appears to have resisted against that social group's norm as a way of rebelling in order to express her own identity. Another character who can be related to Holly is Katie from Kidulthood, due to the fact that the audience can identify Holly as being victimized through the selfless situation she is in.